रहती है कि जितने लोगों से आप जितना सीख सको ना उतना अच्छा होता
And
है।
one lesson your 20-year-old self needed to hear.
वन लाइफ, बाद में कभी रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया। जो करने का मन है कर डालो। यू यू पे फॉर दिस, यू पे फॉर दैट, एंड यू गेट अवार्ड्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा,
Correct.
and it stays here. Ospas, it goes out. The world looks at it. 16 categories in 48 countries. We have one global winner in India. So what has happened? It is the Indian security industry which is now on the wealth in your life is the relationship that you have with people. 1000 days, a story of a minute, and in those 1000 days, I learned the importance of relationship. I learned the value of family. I learned the true meaning of friendship.
Storycast with Swati.
Hi, folks. Welcome to another episode of Storycast with Swati. My guest today is Rajiv Mathur, whose journey can't be described in a single line. He has been a corporate leader, a mentor, a writer, and above all, a storyteller of experiences that come from living fully. Through highs, pauses, and quiet comebacks. Those who know him say that he is all heart, driven by imagination, and never afraid to start something new. Rajiv, you've lived such a full and layered life, and yet there is this calmness in the way you talk about change. Your story feels like a series of chapters to me, each one written very differently from the last. So, if we were to open the first page of where you are today, how would you begin to tell it? Please let us know.
Hey Swati, thank you for a wonderful introduction. मुझे ऐसा उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इतना खूबसूरत मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन भी हो सकता है. Thank you very much, so lovely. First chapter and the last chapter of the book that I am is people. Just about people. People who matter, people who are important, people who are precious, people who are adorable in my life, and they define me. I hope to continue.
Who are these people? Your friends, your relatives, your colleagues? Who are these people? I want to know.
But people who matter.
Okay.
These are my assets, my lifeline to who are around me. Anybody.
Basically, who ignite the fire within you, the passion that is there to be able to express yourself to the world. We are going to go there slowly. The fact that you are such a wonderful author. So, my first question to you is that you've had such a long professional life and so many experiences behind you. So, what made you explore this new chapter differently? We talk about read, write, and run. So, throw some light on that.
बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है और all three are kind of interlinked. No, the sequence is read, run, and write for me. Okay, so about when you cross a certain age, in my case it is 50, you tend to get a little conscious about your health, and so did I. And so January is my मेडिकल मंथ, सो टू से, आप सारे चेकअप कराइए, मेडिकल टेस्ट कराइए, सब कुछ ठीक होना चाहिए. सो वन ऑफ द जनवरीज फ्यू इयर्स अगो आई वेंट फॉर ऑल दीज टेस्ट एंड वो सब गड़बड़ाया, सब ऑल वैल्यूज वर little concerning, and I went to the doctor and I said, this is what it is.
Which year was that?
I think 4-5 years ago. So I went to the doctor and she said that for BP, this is the medicine. For sugar, this is the medicine. For cholesterol, this is the medicine. BP. I said, don't give me that, shock of my life suddenly. What else? If not medicine, what do I do? I mean, how serious, how urgent it is. तो उन्होंने कहा कि change your lifestyle. Said, let me try, and 3 months I should do it. I've been a sports person throughout my life.
Right.
So I started, I thought, I can't play cricket, I can't play badminton because बहुत time हो गया. Let me start running. So I started running. Now, simultaneously, what happened is that my daughter is an avid reader, took me to the World Book Fair. वो भी जनवरी फरवरी में होता है दिल्ली में. So she took me there, bought, I don't know, hundreds of books for herself, but she insisted that I should also buy some books for myself. And she insisted that I should read. So I started getting into reading. I started getting into running at almost the same time. Running because, or lifestyle change करने के लिए, physical fitness के लिए, that was what. So read write started happening. Now when read and write was happening, I got a book at my hand. It's called The Running Effect by a very famous author called Sweta Samhota.
Okay.
So I got that book, और उस book में लिखा था कि successful people do 3 things in life. They read, they run, and they write.
Read, run.
That's how
I'm
the
not
story-
going to forget the order anyway now. It's going to be read, run, and write henceforth.
Yeah.
तो अभी आपने 50 years के बारे में काफी बार बोल चुके हैं. Your recent reflections around 50 after 50, it sounds like a call to reimagine life's second act. So tell me, ये idea कहाँ से शेप हुआ? सारी खाली हेल्थ से रिलेटेड था या और भी कुछ रिफ्लेक्शंस हैं आपकी?
तो देखिए, ये जो तीनों चीजें हैं, रीड, राइट, रन, ये मैंने तो 50 साल के बाद शुरू करी.
अच्छा.
So three things I started after the age of 50. I mean, reading, of course, everyone reads in their childhood, the Chanda Mamas and the Suman Saurabhs and the Lotpot, and all those. I was a sports person, but I was not into running, so that also started. But I was very, very influenced by a gentleman called Ramandeep Oberoi, and he always used to tell me that, see, मैंने ना 53 साल की उम्र में भागना शुरू किया है. So I told him कि साहब मैं इससे पहले करूंगा, कभी ना कभी करूंगा. And this conversation has been happening for last 8-10 years. And of course the writing, this is the first time that I got into writing. Now 50 after 50, तो जब मैं 3 चीज कर सकता हूँ तो और बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं. Now I also have a YouTube channel, Swati, if
Yes.
About it, or the audience would like to know about it. It's called Jaane Anjane. So जाने माने लोगों की अनजाने माने. That's the concept behind that YouTube channel.
लोगों को लोगों के बारे में जानना अच्छा लगता है. मुझे लोगों के बारे में जानना अच्छा लगता है. उनकी पहचान से परे उन्हें पहचानना अच्छा लगता है. कुछ दिखाता है, कुछ नहीं दिखा पाता ये आईना भी. कुछ दिखाता है, कुछ नहीं दिखा पाता ये आईना भी. कई सच झूठे लगते हैं और कोई झूठ सच्चा लगता है. तो जाने माने लोगों के अनजाने सच और कई किस्से कहानियां लिए उनके साथ, in their own style, in their own passion, in their own swag. We bring to you जाने अनजाने, मेरी कहानी मेरी ज़िंदगी.
Correct.
तो जब when I did these 3 things after 50, and I and one of my friend came here and started I've started to learn classical music. Same age, somebody came. I've started playing tennis. Somebody said something else. So I said, क्या 50 साल की उम्र के बाद 50 ऐसी चीजें करने वाली हैं that people would want to do it? So that concept came in my mind, 50
Right.
after 50.
Right.
So I think I must thank you, Swati, to kind of reignite this 50 after 50 buzzword in my mind again, because I've been wanting to start another season with 50 different people who are doing 50 different things through my YouTube channel, and ask them what are those 50 things. तो मेरे को लगता है मैं खुद ही कर लूंगा. 7, 8, 10 मुझे मालूम है कि किन लोगों से बात करना है. So 50 after 50 could be an amazing journey that I'm really looking forward to, and I will always give that credit to you, Swati, through this program, that you have reinitiated that
I think
thought in my mind.
We all can take credit because this is equally inspirational for me as well. There's so much to take away from this. It's just this messages that that actually matter, right time पे सबको पता चल जाए, जो भी ये सुन रहे हैं, जो listeners सुन रहे हैं, if they are in the same stage of life and they probably are looking for some direction, they can actually start from these three anchors that you just mentioned about read, run and write. इन तीनों से आपको क्या मिलता है? रीड से क्या मिलता है, रन से क्या मिलता है, राइट से क्या मिलता है? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ग्रेटिफिकेशन डू यू गेट आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री? ये आप मुझे बताइए.
तो स्वाति, मैंने आपको बोला कि मेरे लाइफ में ना पीपल बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है, लोग बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। और मेरी ऐसी कोशिश रहती है कि जितने लोगों से आप जितना सीख सको ना उतना अच्छा होता है
जी.
वन ऑफ द इंटरेक्शंस दैट आई वाज अगेन हैविंग during an interview on my channel, somebody told me that it is very important to keep the efficiency, the pace, the interest in your work when you do three things which are outside of your work.
Correct.
One is the intellectual, one is physical, and one is creative. Read, write, run, creative, physical एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल, ये तो तीनों चीजें हो गई हैं.
जी जी जी.
इन तीनों का इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस है.
आपको कैसे इम्पैक्ट करा है इन तीनों चीजों ने? लाइक ओवरऑल क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इंप्रूव हुई है, बैलेंस आया है, जो बर्नआउट होता है वर्क में उस पे फर्क पड़ता है इन तीनों चीजों से. जी.
Even if I do a kilometer every day or 3-4 times a week, I do it. Even if I read for 10 minutes, I do. Even if I have to write for 5 minutes, I do. मैं करता जरूर हूँ, ताकि एक तो वो हैबिट नहीं छूट जानी चाहिए, और वो उतना ही करने से ना you get inspired for the next action, you get inspired for the next day. So जितना भी हो, कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो आपको रिफ्रेश करती है, you like doing it, you must doing it. Whenever you like, do it.
ओके, सो अब मैं इनमें से एक एंकर उठाती हूँ, विच इज राइटिंग. कंसिडरिंग दैट यू आर अ सेलिब्रेटेड ऑथर, you've written 1000 days a story of a minute. क्या प्लीज हमारे लिसनर्स को वो बुक दिखा सकते हैं?
Oh yes, this is the book, 1000 days a story of a minute.
तो इस बुक के थ्रू आपने क्या हासिल किया है अब तक? What has it opened up for you personally?
I was flying from Delhi to Mumbai after the launch of my book, and that's when I read my book as a book for the first time.
Like a reader.
Like a reader. And my perspective changed, because what I wrote in the book, it's, as I said, it's about people. And I have kind of expressed my, gratitude, my thanks, to all those people who were important in those 1000 days.
So what doors did it open up for you personally?
Yeah. So I realized that there are some people whom there are unpleasant experiences with them. But then I realized whatever they did, whenever they did, they were right. वो अपने लिए उन्होंने जब भी कोई इंसान कोई काम करता है, वो कभी भी ये सोच के नहीं करता कि ये काम गलत है. वो हमेशा ये सोचता है कि ये ठीक है, ये ऐसा मेरा मानना है, ये मेरे थॉट प्रोसेस है. और ये मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस जब मैंने अपनी किताब को पढ़ा या लिखा उसके बाद, सो आई हैव stopped judging people, and this is the major transformation that has come.
Oh, so it transformed you basically.
Largely.
Okay.
While I have got into habit of reading, I read somewhere that sometimes we get upset about things. I think 63%, 68% of the things वो कभी हुई नहीं होती ना, वो सोच के हम लोग परेशान होते हैं.
We all have a tendency to overthink and worry unnecessarily. ये होता है. This is very very natural. Yes.
उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला, तो ये परसेप्शन चेंज हो गया मेरे लाइफ का. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ा अचीवमेंट हुआ है.
Internal transformation types.
Very realized that the true wealth in your life is the relationship that you have with people. 1000 days, a story of a minute, and in those 1000 days, I learned the importance of relationship. I learned the value of family. I learned the true meaning of friendship. I learned the sense of responsibility and its effect on your thought process. The book is also a gratitude to the medical fraternity, as I
Right.
as I've written in the.
Tell us more about what that book has, just for our listeners.
As the name suggests, 1000 days, a story of a minute. So the minute is that on a particular day, which happened to be my son's 21st birthday, my father said that he's not feeling well and he wants to go to the doctor. Actually, a night before, an evening before. So my mother said, no, tomorrow is, his birthday and सब ठीक है, कल नहीं जाएंगे, we'll go next time. परसों जाएंगे सर. No, but he insisted नहीं जाना है करके. So a particular time was fixed with the doctor, who's a family doctor. We know she knows our family for maybe 10, 12, 15 years. So the time was fixed. It was a Monday. The time was fixed for 12:30. But I think after I left, my father said, I'm not feeling well. थोड़ा जल्दी जाते हैं. So my wife spoke to Dr. Parinita and she said that be here by about 10:30. I am busy from 11 to 12:30, etc. So they reached there at 10:30. 10:30, yeah. And she checked and said कि एक बार इनका ECG करते हैं. He was laid on the ECG table. He was gone and the ECG line was flat. But since he was in the center of medical attention, the doctors, Dr. Parinita and the team, and they revived him. He was given a CPR, electric shock, etc., and he was revived. So 1 minute gave us 1,000 days more with him finally.
I urge you to not reveal more, and the listeners now will have to actually head to the link and see for themselves what that 1 minute holds for you.
लोग इससे कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं. The feedback that I am getting for this book is really, really amazing. This book has been really liked by a lot of people. Hopefully, it's being also considered for a Bollywood movie. Wow. So I am not sure if that will happen or not, but it's being considered. While I was talking to people from the film fraternity, they asked me कि as Indian, especially as North Indian, हम हिंदी में सोचते हैं, हिंदी में बोलते हैं. So, ये किताब मैंने manuscript लिखा और as the gentleman was telling me, actually 2 of them told me that you will find yourself, the book will be very different from the English version. और वो बहुत सच है. तो जब मैंने हिंदी किताब स्क्रिप्ट मेरा खत्म हो गया है, इट्स अंडर पब्लिकेशन नाउ, अंडर पब्लिशिंग नाउ, और तो मैंने आई रियली फाउंड आउट दैट द स्टोरी इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज हिंदी में सोच के लिखा मैंने. तो हिंदी में सोचा और हिंदी में लिखा, तो मुझे और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उस किताब को लिखने में. एंड आई होप व्हेनेवर इट कम्स
ज्यादा लोग इस चीज में इस बुक को और खूबसूरती से समझ पाएंगे, क्योंकि सही बात है जब हम अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिखते हैं तो बात कुछ और होती है. चलिए अब मैं आपको आप ही के YouTube शो जाने अनजाने के बारे में कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. You've interviewed like so many people, especially post the pandemic, and the doctors were there after interviewing stalwarts of security. So is there any recurring insight or trait that you notice in people who bounce back from setbacks? कोई ऐसी बात जो कॉमन लगी हो आपको सब में, जो चीज उन सबको कनेक्ट करती है, इन सब लोगों को कनेक्ट करती है, आप प्लीज बताइए.
So I have done till now 3 seasons. Season 1 में मैंने 24 सिक्योरिटी के स्टालवर्ड्स को इंटरव्यू किया.
जी.
Now all these stalwarts who we see on the stage, who we see always consulting, who we see always advising, etc., have a very, very tough lives, all of them.
जी
सीजन 2 में मैंने इंटरव्यू किया द मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी. That was perhaps my way to say thank you to the medical fraternity for the exceptional work that they have done during the COVID.
करेक्ट.
थर्ड सीजन जो कि 4-5 एपिसोड ही अभी तक उसके हुए हैं और उसमें अगेन थोड़ा सा पॉज है, वो मैंने किया विद द न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डर्स ऑफ न्यू इंडिया. दीज आर पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ, बट तो विकसित भारत में जो अपना योगदान बहुत बहुत कर रहे हैं डिफरेंट वेज. कुड बी इन द एकेडमिक्स, कुड बी in the corporate, could be in the governance, could be in the financial sector, whosoever. इन सभी लोग जहां पे भी अभी ये पहुंचे हैं, इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी है. So there is no shortcut to success. The hard work is the only way to reach there. They have been very, very regular. They have been consistent. They have been,
perseverance,
persistent in wherever they have reached. तो चाहे वो सिक्योरिटी इंडस्ट्री के स्टालवर्ट्स हों, चाहे मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी के लोग हों, चाहे फाइनेंशियल एकेडमिक्स या कुछ भी लोग हों, ये ओवरनाइट नहीं हुआ है किसी के साथ भी.
जी
बहुत मेहनत करी लोगों ने. मुझे लगता है नंबर ऑफ पीपल दैट आई हैव इंटरव्यूड, इफ आई टेक वन गुड हैबिट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम, मैं ना मतलब किस लेवल पे पहुंच जाऊंगा वो सारी चीजें फॉलो करके, इट्स अनमैच्ड.
My request to the listeners also, please head to his channel and watch जाने अनजाने. आपको लाइफ की दूसरी ही साइड देखने को मिलेगी, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी लोगों ने बहुत ही कैंडिडली, बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बताए हैं. अगर आप सिक्योरिटी प्रोफेशनल हैं तो आप सिक्योरिटी प्रोफेशनल्स, आर्मी ऑफिसर्स के इंटरव्यूज देख सकते हैं, और अगर आप एक डॉक्टर हैं, मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल हैं, तो बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐसी मिलेगी जिसके साथ आप रिलेट कर पाएंगे. And coming back to your area of expertise, you've been a security professional for quite some time in your life and you are known for your work on OSPAs. So आप मुझे बताइए, how does that fit into this phase of your life? Giving back, mentoring, building community. वही लोगों ने जो किया है, जिनका आपने इंटरव्यू लिया है, आपने भी वो चीज़ की है, तो आप इसके बारे में मुझे बताइए.
OSPAs, I mean, we have these days, incidentally, we have multiple awards in every field, even in security. OSPAs is different. So what I learned about OSPAs was that it is not just an award. So it is ethical, it is transparent, there is no influence. It's given. It's without there is no money which is involved, no fees is charged, etc., etc. That's all given. But what inspired me the most is that after a few series of the awards, the objective was, how do we take the Indian security industry on a global platform?
Correct.
That's the difference between all other awards from all over the world come to India and they do awards in India. You sponsor the program, you pay for this, you pay for that, and you get awards, etc., etc. And it stays here. OSPAs, it goes out. The world looks at it. So in 2025, it was the first time after the 6 editions of OSPAs in India and South Asia. Otherwise, there have been 10 editions in the other parts of the world. India, the winners of the Indian OSPAs competed to the global OSPAs. People from 48 countries. 48 countries. And we have one award which has come back to India.
Wow.
So out of all those 16 categories in 48 countries, we have one global winner in India. So what has happened? It is the Indian security industry which is now on the global platform.
Correct.
And that is what inclined me towards for OSPAs, and so far so good. And I feel extremely happy when I see the tricolor on one in the 48 countries, and a winner from that is something which makes me feel very, very proud.
Now, the fact that you felt some sort of internal transformation after having done so many things, whether it was working a job, taking up leadership roles, mentoring people, interviewing them, learning from their experiences, and then translating it through social media so that it could reach the common people, I'm sure you have, with you an abundant knowledge. And if you had to give one short practice or habit to a leader today, something that they can do like in 5 minutes, so to build resilience or presence, what would that be?
Be consistent. Show up every day. That's all.
Show up
Just
every
be
day.
consistent.
Showing up is necessary. Irrespective of whichever profession you are in and whatever you do.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So
That's necessary.
That's nice. And I want to have a chirpy chatter with you, which is like a mini rapid fire round. So the first word that comes to your mind or the first line that comes to your mind, you have to express it, right? So
Yeah.
are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Curiosity.
Learning.
Running.
I love it.
Writing.
Passion.
Courage.
Security.
Wow. And one lesson your 20-year-old self needed to hear.
Read, write and learn should start at the age of 20.
So अगर आपके 20 साल के राजीव से मुलाकात होगी तो आप उसको यही बोलेंगे कि you should read, write.
अभी से लिखना शुरू करो, अभी से दौड़ो
और अभी से भागो और अभी से सब करो
और पढ़ते रहो.
पढ़ते रहो. Right. Your favorite author?
So my favorite author currently is Shiv Kumar, and I strongly recommend everyone to read his latest book called The CEO's Mindset.
Okay. All right, Rajiv. So where can listeners find your book and connect with you? Although it is available online as well, but are there any upcoming events that you'd like to mention? Or when is the Hindi edition coming out? Anything that you want them to know?
So the current books are available on Amazon. The Hindi edition most likely should be launched during the upcoming World Book Fair, New Delhi World Book Fair, between 10th to 18th of January 2026 at Pragati Maidan. I am available on LinkedIn. I am available on Facebook. Happy to chat with all of you whenever you want.
Right. Some stories, they don't end. They just pause to make room for the next one. So thank you, Rajiv, for sharing a part of yours with us today. It was an amazing conversation. And it has been a pure joy to have you on Storycast with Swati. It has been very, very relaxing as well, the conversation itself. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking out the time and sharing what you shared. Any
Thank you, Swati. Thank
for
you.
our listeners, please, by all means, you should say it.
First of all, thank you to you, Swati, for inviting me on your show. Storycast with Swati. I like the name. Very nice. Interesting conversation. This is the first time that मैंने सिक्योरिटी के अलावा और कुछ बात करी, और वो सारी बातें जो आज करी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी आपके साथ बात करके. To the viewers, to the listeners, we get only one life. बाद में कभी रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. जो करने का मन है कर डालो आज आप. Do whatever you feel like.
Don't wait for
Don't
tomorrow.
regret it later.
Whatever you have to do, start from today. Okay. And this
Right
ties
now.
us back to the read, run, and write. I hope the sequence is correct now. Thank you so much for your time.